Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Anderson again, and Mrs. Preby is my camera lady. We are going to continue on with our addition and subtractions at the grocery store. Last time we practiced addition. Today we're going to talk about subtraction. At the grocery store there was 8 cucumbers. I want to count to make sure there's 8, because if I don't have 8, I'm not going to come up with the right answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Mrs. Kimberly went to the store and she bought 2 of them. Is it going to grow or is it going to shrink if Mrs. Kimberly bought 2? This is where you want to have your paper ready and you want to write down 8 minus she bought 2 equals. Now, I'm going to take away 2. She brought them home. Let's count how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's read the equation. 8 minus 2 equals 6. I don't know if you've noticed this or not, but we've also learned about partner numbers. 8 minus 2 equals 6. Another way to put it is if I have 3, how many more do I need? Well, forget about that 3. If I have 2, how many more do I need to get to 8? I need 6 more. Here's the 2 and here's the 6. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to go to the store again. I'm going to get my 8 cucumbers back. Mrs. Potts wants me to buy her 5. So I know that I have 8 cucumbers and she's going to take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to bring them home for her. How many are left? I bet you don't even have to count. There's 3. Now I can show you those partner numbers even better. If you had 3, what would be that missing number to get to 8? 5. Nice job. We're going to do one more. We're going to start with that 8 cucumbers. Always want to make sure we have the right number that we write down. 8 minus. Mrs. Preby wanted me to buy 1 cucumber. Is it going to shrink or is it going to grow? If she bought one and I took it home, you're right, it's going to shrink. So that's why we put that minus sign there. Minus 1 equals, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's takeaway. Now, at your house, boys and girls, you had a worksheet the other day, and that worksheet was page 229. Might be kind of hard to see. You maybe sent it to your teacher that we saw that you did it. Now you're going to flip it over to the back side and it's going to say 230. And it's takeaway. And I want to show you a little bit of things that you can do with the takeaway in a minute. This is the takeaway part. And then down here it says choose an equation. Draw a picture to show the subtraction. And I'm going to practice that with you in a minute. And then the check for understanding. Oh, think back to your 10s. Draw a way to show the number 17. Let me give you an example. Wonder what kind of ways you can draw. Now I want to show you. I'm going to pick this one, 5 minus 2. Because sometimes subtraction can be a little more challenging, but I bet you're going to get it. Because it's a takeaway, it's going to shrink. It's going to get smaller. So always think of something. You had 5. I'm going to draw 5 circles. And I'm going to take away 2. I'm not going to add 2 because it's not growing, it's taking away. I'm going to X out 2. And then I'm going to see how many are left. And then I'm going to check it. 2 and 3 equals 5. So that is a good way for you to check your takeaway. And that's a good way to choose one of these equations and show it down here. I can't wait to see your work. Thank you so much.